Hello everybody and welcome to 0 Mile ADV, a beginner's guide to adventure motorcycling from a true beginner's perspective. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because we are talking about the new titanium wings exhaust I just installed on my 2022 KTM Super Adventure S. It sounds awesome. I did remove the dB killer, so it is a little bit louder with the additional spark arrestor, but that says it doesn't affect the sound. Once you remove the dB killer, you just put the little spark arrestor in. No, I did not get it for free. They just sent me this nice t-shirt, so I thought since we're doing a video about the exhaust, I might as well wear it. Take a look here. If you were to get one from Wings, you should receive the same thing. They're from Europe, and being here in Colorado, I think it took probably maybe 4 or 5 days to get the exhaust in total, and it was super easy to install. I think the hardest thing was probably just figuring out how to feed my screw in to get the spark arrestor in once I took the dB killer out. Other than that, it was super easy to install. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. It just helps me to grow the channel. And if you haven't heard already, I'm giving away a pair of Climb adventure pants. I think they're the Badlands pants is what they're called, Badlands or something. I'll put a link in the below what they are once I reach 1,000 subscribers, because then I can make a few bucks off of the advertising on YouTube, so it'll help my channel grow. So in order to help my channel grow, if you subscribe to my channel, all you have to do is subscribe, and once I reach that 1,000, I'm going to pick randomly through the subscribers list and give those pants away to that one person. They are a size 34, 32. They're a little big for me, so hopefully they'll fit you. I've only used them a couple times, but I figured rather than selling them on eBay, why not use them to give away and hopefully help grow this community of beginner adventure motorcyclists. So with that being said, we're going to get into it. Quick time lapse of installing the exhaust, and then a little before and after so you can hear it, so you can hear the differences. So until everybody, let's get into it.